Edge Pro. Say hello to your new friend. The Edge Pro kit includes a mobile magnetic phone holder, a magnetic wireless charger and a powerful 1000 lumen magnetic light. These accessories are designed to enhance your productivity on the go. Just open your laptop and attach the mobile. Don't worry, it's compatible for every phone. Want to landscape your mobile? Okay, you can. Its safe magnetic lock ensures the safety. It's another gadget for your mobile to upgrade your shooting to the next level. This sleek and compact gimbal is designed to make your smartphone footage incredibly stable and smooth. It's perfect for every video creator. And don't forget to turn on the 360-degree magnetic fill light whenever you record. Moving your hand won't disturb the camera performance. Before you start, adjust the zooming level for better experience. This portable washing gun is the need of everyone. This washer packs a punch with its 20V power supply, making it a reliable tool for various cleaning tasks. It's equipped with a 5-in-1 multi-spray nozzle and a high-pressure double plunger pump ensuring effective cleaning. This is a versatile and convenient tool for all your cleaning needs. Its portability, power, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to your gadget collection, especially if you're a car enthusiast or someone who enjoys a clean outdoor space. Bondic. Do you throw away all your stuff after when it breaks? Well, you don't need to do it after this gadget. Just apply the liquid and cure it with special UV light for a few seconds and it's fixed. It's not like a glue cause it doesn't dry and make sticky to the stuff. If you want to give second life to your broken stuff, this gadget has got you covered. Insta 360 Go. This is an action camera. You can clip it onto your cap, t-shirt, dog's toy, car, and even onto your bicycle. Absolutely, its magnetic carry feature is the outstanding. Insta 360 Go 3 delivers many perspectives, allows you to explore the creative angles. Yeah, you can see the live preview of how are you recording in its remote. And don't worry about the shaky captures. It provides the unbeatable stabilization. Duck it to 16 feet into the water and enjoy the underwater videography. And must check out its mic after buying it through the link given in the description below. Kublets. Check out these coolest cubes that can show you the data you want. You can see crypto prices, your Insta followers or your YouTube subscribers in these cubes. All you have to do is to choose the data that you want in your cubes by the Kublet official mobile application. Keep the cubes onto your table and enjoy. Jabra Panacast. It's a groundbreaking collaboration camera designed to revolutionize your video conferencing experience. The Jabra Panacast is the latest addition to Jabra's lineup of audio and video conferencing solutions. It's designed to enhance your virtual meetings, presentations, and collaborations in every way possible. This remarkable lens captures a full view of the room, ensuring everyone in your meeting is seen. The Carson Micro Mini is a compact and lightweight pocket microscope designed to fit right into your pocket or bag. Despite its diminutive size, this little gadget boasts an impressive 20x magnification capability, allowing you to explore the tiniest of details with ease. This features a clear acrylic base and a powerful LED light source, which not only illuminates your subject but also ensures that you can capture sharp and detailed images even in low-light conditions. The Pocket Tripod Pro is all about combining functionality with convenience. It's a truly compact tripod that's designed to fit right into your pocket, and it's compatible with a wide range of smartphones. Tilt it with the angle you like and create the unique content. This ultra-portable gadget is your companion wherever you go. SpaceTop. A revolutionary 3D computing experience that could change the way you interact with your digital world. Well, it's a visionary technology that brings a 3D user interface to your desktop. Imagine interacting with your digital content in a special three-dimensional environment right before your eyes. It combines a special transparent 3D display with advanced gesture tracking technology. This setup creates a holographic desktop, allowing you to manipulate and organize your files, documents, and applications as if they were physical objects. WARHAWK EDC. Say hello to the compact yet powerful flashlight that is designed to be your everyday carry companion. The WARHAWK EDC flashlight is a compact gadget that fits comfortably in your hand. It's designed to be your go-to source of light in various situations, from everyday tasks to tactical missions. Carabiner Compass Watch. The ultimate carabiner compass watch is a must-have for every outdoor enthusiast. This compact gadget keeps correct and accurate time. And don't forget to use the magnifier for fire starting. The ultra-bright LED is a game-changer feature of this gadget. Simply clip it into your backpack. I hope you enjoyed the journey of these cool gadgets. Click the video on the screen and I'll meet you there. Bye.